कोकण रेल्वे मार्गाचेर तिकेट नासतना प्रवास करप्याचेर आळो घालपा खातीर कोकण रेल्वे पुलिशेन विशेष तिकेट तपासणी मोहीम राबयल्ली। एप्रिल 2025 ते जानेवारी 2026 मेरेन 4,13,000 तिकेट नासतना प्रवास करप्याकडल्यान 22.81 कोटीचो दंड वसूल केलो। पळयात पुराय बातमी।
कोंकण रेल्वेत जायते प्रवासी तिकेट नासतना प्रवास करतात। हांचेर आळाबंद हाडपा खातीर कोंकण रेल्वेन खासा मोहीम राबयल्ली। एप्रिल 2025 ते जानेवारी 2026 मेरेन 9,495 मोहिमे राबयल्ल्यो। तातूंत 4,13,000 तिकेट नासतना प्रवास करप्यांकडल्यान वट्ट 22.81 कोटी दंड वसूल केलो। मजगती अंदू वर्साच्या पयले म्हयन्यांत म्हळ्यार जानेवारीत 1,014 फावटी विशेष तिकेट तपासणी मोहीम राबयल्ल्यो। तातूंत 44,735 तिकेट नासतना प्रवास करपी प्रवासी सांपडले। तांचे कडल्यान एकाच म्हयन्याचो वट्ट 2.53 कोटींचो दंड कोंकण रेल्वेच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी वसूल केलो। सगळ्या प्रवाशांनी फकत वैध तिकेट घेवन प्रवास करचो अशें आवाहन कोंकण रेल्वेचो उपप्रादेशीक व्यवस्थापक बबन घाटगेन केला।
Konkan Railway has continued its drives, special ticket checking drives against unauthorized illegal travelers in the trains. In the month of January, more than 1,000, that is exactly to say 1,014 drives were conducted, and these drives are being conducted by our commercial department along with Railway Protection Force officials. In the month of January, totally 44,736 unauthorized illegal travelers were detected, and a fine penalty of rupees 2.53 was collected in the month of January. If you see this financial year, up to January 26, totally 9,495 drives were conducted, and more than 4 lakh irregular travelers were detected. And total fine from April to January 26, a total fine of rupees 22.81 crore has been collected till date. Further to this ticket checking drives, on 26th of February, Konkan Railway will continue. It will carry out an intensified ticket checking drive, specifically on 26th February. So we request all our esteemed travelers, passengers, to travel with a valid journey ticket. If they are entering on the platform, they should buy a proper platform ticket.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.